Imagine an invisible meter running on every advanced system around you. Not the electricity powering your home, but something far more subtle, yet relentlessly expensive. It ticks away every second, for every smart device, every automated farm, every algorithm guiding financial markets. This isn't the cost of building artificial intelligence. This is the hidden tax of AI thinking. A perpetual drain that's quietly reshaping the future of technology, the economy, and perhaps our entire world. To understand this hidden tax, we first need to understand what AI does when it thinks. It's called inference. Think of it like our own brains, constantly making predictions. From the moment you wake up, your brain is inferring, predicting where to step, how to interpret a sound, anticipating the next word in a conversation. It's a continuous cycle of sensing, predicting, and updating. For artificial intelligence, inference is the exact same process. Once an AI model has been trained, think of this as its education. It's deployed into the real world. Then, it constantly processes new data, makes predictions, and provides outputs. Whether it's an autonomous farm machine identifying crop health or a smart city system optimizing traffic flow, these systems are perpetually inferring to make real-time decisions. This isn't a one-time calculation. It's a relentless, ongoing process. Here's where most people get it wrong. When we talk about the cost of AI, our minds immediately jump to the initial, colossal investment. The months-long training of models on giant supercomputers, consuming vast amounts of energy and human expertise. We see headlines about billions spent on development, and then assume the heavy lifting and the heavy spending is over. But that's like saying the cost of a lighthouse is just its construction. The real drain, the perpetual cost, comes after deployment. It's the ongoing energy, the cooling systems, the hardware wear and tear required to keep that light constantly scanning the horizon. This is the often ignored side of the AI ledger, the never-ending operational expense of perpetual inference. Let's make this tangible. Consider the precision agriculture systems constantly monitoring fields. UAVs fly overhead, collecting multispectral images. AI models immediately process this data, identifying stressed crops, detecting pests, or pinpointing irrigation needs. This isn't done once a season. It's continuous, adaptive, often real-time. Every image processed, every crop condition analyzed, every recommendation generated is an act of inference. Now scale that to entire agricultural regions. Or think about intelligent perception systems in smart cities, endlessly analyzing traffic patterns, pedestrian flows, and even air quality, adjusting infrastructure dynamically. Each data point, each micro-decision, demands computational power. And this relentless demand accumulates into a very real, very significant operational cost. This perpetual thinking incurs a genuine hidden tax. It's not a visible bill for a tangible product. It's a constant bleed of resources. First, there's the sheer energy consumption. Keeping thousands or millions of AI models constantly active requires immense electrical power for processing and cooling. Second, there's hardware depreciation. Continuous, high-load operation wears down specialized AI chips faster. Third, the infrastructure itself demands maintenance and upgrades. All of this translates directly into significant operational expenditure. This isn't just a minor line item for a tech company. It eats into profit margins, limits the scalability of AI deployments, and can even dictate whether an AI product is economically viable in the long run. It's the difference between a project being a one-off marvel and a sustainable, profitable reality. This hidden tax is forcing innovators to rethink everything. It's not enough for an AI model to just be accurate. It now must be efficient. Companies are no longer asking, can we make it work? But can we afford to keep it running perpetually? This pressure is driving a fundamental architectural shift in AI. Instead of sending all data to massive, centralized cloud servers, there's a growing push towards edge computing, where smaller, highly optimized AI models process data closer to the source on the device itself. This minimizes data transfer and reduces the energy footprint. The race is on to develop not just smarter algorithms, but algorithms that are lean, mean, and incredibly energy efficient. The challenge of perpetual inference costs is sparking a new wave of innovation. Researchers are developing entirely new algorithmic approaches that can achieve similar accuracy with significantly fewer computations. Hardware manufacturers are designing specialized AI accelerators that perform inference with dramatically lower power consumption. We're seeing everything from neuromorphic chips, mimicking the brain's energy efficiency, to more sustainable data center designs powered by renewable energy. This isn't just about saving money. It's about making AI truly sustainable and scalable for the future. The very viability of widespread AI deployment hinges on our ability to conquer this silent drain. The hidden tax of perpetual inference is more than just an accounting problem. It's a foundational challenge shaping the entire landscape of artificial intelligence. It dictates what kind of AI products get built, where they're deployed, and ultimately, who can afford to keep them running. As AI continues to embed itself deeper into our critical infrastructure and daily decision-making, understanding this invisible cost becomes paramount. The future isn't just about what AI can do, but what we can sustainably afford for it to perpetually be. It's a silent drain, yes, but also a powerful catalyst pushing us toward a smarter, more efficient, and perhaps more responsible approach to building the next generation of intelligence.